Hi guys, I decided to make this small tutorial. Of course it's for beginners. Well, kind of like me. A while ago I had to do a scene, a turntable with a white background, and I wanted to use a HDRI, an HDR image. So I couldn't find any tutorials concerning the subject. So I decided to make one because a few days ago I found out how to make it. Okay, now I made a plane and a simple cube in Arnold Light's Skydome Light. Skydome Light in color. I go to my folder where I could keep my HDR images and I pick one randomly. Okay, let's try this one. I'm not very good at making tutorials, okay, so okay, this image, oh wow, nice image, but I want it to be white. Okay, now let's go to Arnold render view and let's see what it gives. As I told you, I'm not good at making tutorials, but I thought it could help somebody. Let's render this one. Oh, the background is nice with all those dolls sitting there. I like it. But it should be white, right? I'm sorry. You go to, okay, rendering, render settings. And this is where the magic happens. Second one, Arnold renderer, environment, background, legacy. You click create sky shader. The default of you can see it in the attribute editor. The default is white. Okay, you can pick any color you want. You can even place an image, a background image. I wanted it white. Let's render it again. And boom. You have the same lighting but with white. Of course, for a still image, you could use a white plane, but for a turntable, well, this was the only way to do it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.